Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to do some jerk ribs. It's a jerk recipe we use around here a lot. It takes a lot of fresh ingredients, a lot of dry ingredients. So it's got some good flavors. We like to use it on salmon. We like to use it on chicken, and I especially love it on pork. I first tried it on pork with pork steaks grilled, and I just loved it. So first off, let's start out by knocking the vegetables out here. So we got one bunch of green onions. This doesn't have to be nice because it's going in the blender. Just a nice rough dice. Over there. 6 to 10. I don't know. If you like more onion, just add more onion. And it takes... my recipe, I use 8 cloves of garlic. You don't have to use 8 cloves. Use what you like. There's 6 here. And I'm going to show you how to pound out the other 2. Take it, just slam your knife on it like that. Peel comes right off. You throw it in. Pound it right like that. Goes right in. And 2 tablespoons of ginger. So I've already peeled this one. I'm just going to kind of rough chop it up. Throw that in there. This other one, I don't have to my spoon, but I had one. Get another. This peel right here, you just take off the spoon. Just like this. It comes right, ooh, it's popping. But they come right off. And just rough chop it up, throw it in there. Even if you get a little peel in there, it's not going to matter. So we grow huge pepper garden every year. Jen and I do. And this is one of ours from our garden, this habanero here. And we froze it, so it's going to be a little limp. So you just go around the seeds like that. Now if you want it super hot, you just leave the seeds right in there. I kind of like it super hot, so I'm going to leave a little bit of seed there. Basically the ones that are out here. Rough chop. There it goes. Juice of half a lime. Hold your hand over it. So good. Usually limes don't have seeds, but get that pith and stuff. Sometimes people don't like that, but whatever. So that's it. Excellent. Then we got a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of orange juice, half a cup packed brown sugar, and here comes the deliciousness. These are all the dries that go into this batch. And there's a lot of flavor here. So we got 2 tablespoons of allspice, 2 tablespoons of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of ground clove, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So that all goes in there. Then cap it. Now you can make this as chunky as you want. I like it a smidge chunky, so I just get to pulse it a little bit. So here we go. Has a little problem getting through some of that. You can use a food processor, whatever you want. This is what we got, so this is what we use. And be nice and chunky. A little soupy. So that's what we're going to use for our marinade. We're actually going to do ribs this time with this. Ribs, some salmon, and some chicken.